God again, thanking you for this channel. God, I ask special prayer upon the viewers that are watching. We're asking God for more viewers. God, we thank you and we don't take this channel for granted or anything that we're doing right. And it's with this, God, we just thank you in Jesus' name. Amen. Okay, welcome back to the family. We welcome you today at Lynn's Kitchen. I'm so glad to be back, you guys. I hope everybody had a wonderful holiday, and I hope everybody's doing fine. Today I welcome you in, and I ask if there are any new viewers that you will come on in and be a part of Lynn's Kitchen. All you have to do is hit that like button and that subscribe button, and again hit that notification bell so that we can notify you with the upcoming videos that we have coming. And again, also, please send your comments. I love you guys' comments, you know. And so with that, what we're going to do today, I'm going to just do a one-pot meal. It's a sausage panina, one-pot meal, and with a little bit of Italian twist to it, okay? So I've got my pan, Bella. She is heated. We're going to take her top off, and we're going to place it over here for a second. And I'm going to get her started. I hope everybody's doing good today. We're going to start off with trying to get I want the sausage to fry. So this is just smoked sausage. Yeah, so you know what? I've been doing a little vlogging just a little bit, you know. I don't know if some of you have seen it. Give me your comments on that. You know, if you like the vlogging. I'm just trying to do some new things to help boost my channel a little bit. And I would like for your comments. And again, be nice. Okay, oh, this smells so good, so good. Yes, what I'm going to do is, guys, I'm going to add my onions to this. And then I have two kinds. I have my green onions and I have my white onions. So I'm going to add those to them. And after I add them, I'm going to let them cook down a little bit. All of this cook together. Okay. Look at that. The white onions in here too. The aroma. Y'all. And look how that cooked up. Yes. We have diced tomatoes here. So it's going to be kind of Italian-y. I got some Prego. Aroma's in this kitchen. Oh, I'm going to use this because I need a little bit of water. Put this in here. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and add some of my dry seasonings to this, okay? Onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, salt. Let me begin to combine some of this up in there. Do what it has to do. This is oregano, Italian seasoning, complete seasoning. Italian herbs. So there's all type of herbs in it. Combine this. Oh, and add minced garlic also. Red, yellow, and orange peppers that I'm going to put off in here also. Yes, I am. This one-pot dish also can be used with chicken and beef. You vegetarians out there, you can use the vegetable to kick it off. You can also add Parmesan cheese at the very end. Just do it the way you would want to do it. This is a good meal, like if you're having guests and you don't know what to fix, you know, and you just want to come over and chill or what have you. This does one pot. You know, you could just modify it. Such a quick, easy meal. It doesn't take that long. Okay? And then we'll come back and see about putting the pasta in there. Okay, so be right back. Look what we have here. I'm going to set that to the side. Look at that. Cooked up like I want to. Now I'm gonna add, let me see more once I'm gonna taste it for you guys in there. Taste just that part. Let's see. Oh gosh. I'm gonna add the noodles. They're done. Add the paninis. Okay. I like panini noodles because you know what, when you make sauces, it gets all up in the noodles. Like it's like a tunnel for your sauce. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh. See, one pot meal. One pot meal. And depending on how you serve this, or depending on how much you make, you could have enough for the next day, leftovers. And if you make too much, guys, I always say you can freeze it and have it for another day. You get everything combined in here with the, you know, with the juices going into the noodles. And then I'm gonna come back. When I come back, we're gonna have this plated and we're gonna taste it, okay? So I'll be back. Hi guys, and here's your finished plate. Here you go. Good. Remember, again, this is an easy dish. It's not hard to do. You can modify it. You don't have to put all of the things I put in it. You can even add your other different vegetables that you might want in there. You can put spinach in here, whatever is to your liking, okay? Just enjoy being in the kitchen, stirring up something for the family, or making something good for you if you're by yourself, you know, or for the girls, you know, even men. Come on and hang out with the fellas, and you guys get in the kitchen and do this recipe. It's very easy. It's just a one-pot meal. And I'm grateful and thankful for you being here. And guys, again, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Please hit that notification bell for me. And also keep your comments coming, because they encourage me to continue to do what I'm doing. And I thank you so much. But before we go, y'all know I gotta taste it, right? Always taste your cooking, always. So let's see. Let me see here. God. Oh, this is so good. Oh my goodness. And you can taste a little kick in there. You guys are gonna love this. So again, you guys, we thank you for joining Lynn's Kitchen, and we're asking you to come on back. We will see you again next time here on Lynn's Kitchen. Bye, everybody.